Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be guiding you through the process on how you can use Pro Mode on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 camera. So the first step is to open the camera app. Then from here you should see these different camera styles that you can choose from. So you have portrait, photo and video. So to activate Pro Mode, you want to select the option More. Then from here, tap on Pro, and you'll also see the option for Pro Video. So let's start with Pro, which is the camera option or the photo taking option. So you just tap on it, and from here you can now get a subject you want to take photos of. So say for example I want to take photos of this chest right here. I have all sorts of options on the side panel. So I have the ISO, I have the speed, I have the focus, and all sorts of options. So if you want to adjust it, you just tap on any option. So say for example I want to adjust the ISO, I would tap on it, and then I can use the slider to go up or down, and you'll notice it adjusting in the preview of your phone. So you can keep doing this, and you can continue adjusting any of the options that you prefer. And so it's up to you to decide how you want your images to look like. Then when you're ready to take a photo, just press on the shutter button and the image will be taken. Alternatively, if you've decided to choose the different option, so say for example you want to go to and select Pro Video, then you want to tap on this back button labeled Pro. Then from here, tap on More, select Pro Video, and now again you should see the similar options. So you have the ISO, speed, focus, and all sorts of things. And now you can take videos while adjusting the speed, so you can increase or decrease it, the ISO, the focus, and all sorts of options. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.